Today, we're comparing Mindbody versus Acuity Scheduling to see which platform is best for boutique businesses like spas, studios, and wellness centers in 2025. First up is Mindbody is built specifically for wellness and fitness businesses. It offers class scheduling, membership management, and payment processing all in one app. You can also handle staff management, marketing tools, and client service. Pricing starts at around $99 per month, making it a solid choice for growing boutiques that need a full ecosystem. On the other hand, Equity is simpler but super flexible. Plan starts at $16 per month, making it more affordable for smaller businesses. If you want a complete wellness business platform with marketing and memberships, MindBuddy is your go-to. But if you want easy, affordable booking with strong client communication, Equity is the choice.